So 9 years ago when I started Pete and Pedro, one of the first things I ever did was create a Bueno Club subscribe and save program. And the reason, well, is simple. I knew two things about guys. Number one, we like saving money. And number two, we never want to run out of our products and have to remember, oh, I'm running low, I need to order it. I just want it shipped to me. I want easy, right? I want to easily look amazing, which is why we created the program. And this was before like anybody was really doing it. Well, recently, guys, I am so incredibly excited to tell you that we upgraded our program. It's better than ever. The way that it works, pretty simple. Pick any product that we sell and then tell us how often you want to get it. You're going to save 15% and you don't have to worry about the headache and hassle of running out of product or whether or not it's cologne or body wash, whatever. Anything we sell, you're going to get 15% off and we are going to automatically send it to you. We're going to take care of all the legwork so you don't have to worry about it. All you got to worry about is looking amazing. Gentlemen, hit the link, check it out. You guys are going to love it. It's the Bueno Club. Subscribe and save program at Pete and Pedro.